Hey everyone, MyColdTherapy and SupplyColdTherapy is really excited to announce that we now have a store in our YouTube channel. So what does that mean for you? Well, essentially it lets you find any of the products related to the videos that you're watching almost immediately. I want to show you 3 different places where you can quickly find our store to help you be able to find our products and the specific items you're looking for faster. So if you're on our home page of our YouTube channel, you'll notice that underneath where it says MyColdTherapy and SupplyColdTherapy, there are different tabs located here. If you were to click on this new tab that's now called Store, you can actually see all of the different products that we've recently uploaded. We are limited to the number of products we can show here, so we're showing the more popular products. That means that these products may vary slightly over time, all based on popularity. But if you want to find specific products related to the video you're actually watching, you can now watch any of our specific videos. So as in a good example, this Omni Ice Pulse Compression Unit, you can click on it and it'll actually give you the ability to see all the different products related to that specific video. So in this video, as we're talking about specific products, you can now find them all directly below that video in this section here. You can also scroll to the right to find more of those products. Another place where you can find these products is in this description section. If you were to click more, you can now see a whole list of all the different products listed in this video to make it easier for you to find and order. We hope this helps you be able to find the items you're looking for in a much more simplified fashion, because our belief is to help you get back to living. So let's go and get back to living.